What's up, guys? Today we're going to unbox the 2018 iPad Pro 11-inch. Now, I have a confession. I have been using this iPad for a good little while. After doing my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 unboxing yesterday, I realized, I never posted my unboxing for my iPad. And with me about to do a comparison between the two, and I already have a review of it, I was like, let me throw those videos out at you guys. So here we go. Here it is, and watch the old to me but new to you unboxing. What's up, everyone? It's Jason here with Red Bee Labs, and welcome to the video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. Okay, guys, here it is, the iPad Pro 11-inch. I got the 256 gig version, so let's get her open. Gotta shake her a little bit. Come on, there we go, and boom! Here we go. Look at this nice little iPad. So thin and so nice. Let me just put it over here for one sec. Grab this on here. Here is your wall adapter and your lightning cable. Let's get into these instructions. This is where we have the wonderful instructions that, again, we're all going to look at. We're all going to research and go through and learn and read. I'll go ahead and put these over here. Okay, no need to... Alright, back to the money. Look at this. Whew. Just nice. Let me open this up a little bit. Get it right. Let me just slide it out. I'll slide it out. It's easier to slide it on out. Oh, look at this. Feels so good in the hand. Oh, I love this metal. Oh, Apple, you're doing it again, man. You're doing it again. Okay, guys, went ahead and set her up. The scrolling is nice, and as you see, I have iPad OS on here, so I'm gonna have to do a review on that as well. But other than that, I think I'm gonna leave you here, guys. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button and drop me a couple comments. It really helps me in the channel. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.